Now you got the leaves falling, okay? Now you gotta make the leaves disappear, all right? Now you can mulch them or bag them, it's up to you.
AllCoastLawncare.
Hey, so we're in fall, but your side hustle or your business, it's not over for the year, all right? The mowing season, the grass season stopped, but you can still mulch leaves, all right, people? Hey, the trees are falling, as you can see in the back, all right? If you recognize this yard, it's my backyard. It's the first video I ever did. Was this part of the backyard? It was like mulching leaves. But I'm gonna be using the zero turn, y'all, to mulch leaves, all right? Okay, you could mulch leaves with your zero turn, your push mower, your riding mower. Okay, so you can still make money, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, my backyard. I'm gonna show you how fast it is with the zero turn. This is a Bobcat, this is a 52-inch zero turn. All right, so hey, hope you enjoy. Hey, please like and subscribe, all right? Leave a comment, okay? Hope this will be satisfying to you, so here we go. All right, y'all, that's mulching. Okay, so I got a big backyard, so I got I did one spot, then I did another spot, and then I did this spot. All right, but what you want to do first is blow everything away from the fence. That's what I did before I started doing this, before I started doing the video. But I did circles, and I met myself in the middle, and I just going back and forth mulching the excess mulch, the leaves. Charging them is up to you. As you can see, it's just mowing. If you want to charge them like with a regular mower, you could do that, or if you want to double it, that's reasonable. So if it's a $60 yard to mulch all the leaves, make them disappear, you could charge them $120. It's up to you. All right, how you want to do it. All right, but hey, the purpose of this video, I went kind of fast. I wish I did I gave you a better quality cut though, but the sun's going down. All right, it's 5 o'clock over here in North Carolina, and it gets dark real fast, so I need to hurry up and make this video. But the purpose of this video is, hey, you can still make money when the grass stops growing, because now you got the leaves falling. Okay, now you gotta make the leaves disappear. All right, now you can mulch them or bag them, but it's up to you. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope this is very helpful to you. All right, to your side hustle or your business. Okay, there's a 52-inch Bobcat zero turn. So hey, I did my first video in this backyard. If you go to my very first lawn care video, you'll see me on a riding mower, lawn tractor, whatever you want to call it. That was my first video. If you're still with me, you've been following me, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. It's a real blessing that you still watching my videos, or you subscribe to me. All right, thank you, God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.